Tick, tock. Tick, tock. 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes left.
The rice is not ready. The soup is boiling over.
The sun is going down. Fast. Very fast.
Where are the dates? Who took the dates?
This is the story of a family with a big problem. A very big problem.
It is Ramadan. It is almost Iftar time. And nothing is ready.
Will they make it? Will they eat on time?
Let's find out what happens in the next 10 minutes. I am stirring and stirring. But the rice is still hard. Why is it taking so long?
Jane is the mother. She is cooking for everyone. She is also fasting. No food all day. She is tired and hungry.
The soup needs more salt. Where is the salt? No salt. We have no salt.
Big problem number 1. The soup has no salt and only 8 minutes left.
I have to go to the neighbor. Quick!
Jane runs out. Now I am in charge. I can do this. How hard can it be? Okay, plates on the table. Easy. Done. I did it. Spoons. We need spoons for the soup.
Max, did you set the table?
I forgot the spoons. 6 minutes. 6 minutes left. Adam is 7. He is so hungry, but he wants to help.
Mama, I can carry the dates.
Okay. Take them to the table. Be careful.
Dates rolling everywhere.
Mama, the dates! They're everywhere!
Adam, all the dates?
Problem number 2. No dates and only 5 minutes left.
I'm sorry.
Pick them up. Hurry!
Lily is 4. She sees everyone helping. She wants to help too.
Mama, I can pour the water.
Lily, that bottle is too heavy.
No, Mama, I am strong.
Water everywhere. On the floor, on the dates, on Jane.
Mama, the water! It's all gone.
Water everywhere. Dates everywhere. No salt, no spoons.
3 minutes. 3 minutes left.
Ya Allah, help us. Okay, everyone, stop. Look at me. We are a family. Families work together. We can do this.
Team, let's go. Max grabs towels. He cleans the water. Fast, fast, fast.
Jane picks up the dates. She washes them quickly.
Adam runs to get spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lily carefully puts the dates in a new bowl.
Jane adds salt to the soup. She stirs one last time.
1 minute. 1 minute left. Everyone sits. They look at each other. Breathing hard. Messy. Happy.
We did it. I think we did it. The adhan begins, beautiful and calm. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Listen, it's time.
We made it! Bismillah!
This is the best date I ever tasted.
Because we earned it. Together.
The chaos is over. Now there is only peace. Oh no! Look at this mess.
Don't worry. We will clean together.
I can help wash dishes.
I can. Look at Lily. She tried so hard. You know what? This is nice.
Cleaning together?
Yes. After all that chaos, this quiet time feels good.
I found another date.
Bring it here. We'll save it.
Knock, knock, knock. Who could that be? So late?
Maybe it's a monster. A monster?
There are no monsters. I'll get it.
Assalamu alaikum, my darlings. Assalamu alaikum, my darlings.
Grandma, you came all the way here?
Of course. I know how busy you are. I made your favorite, baklava.
Baklava! Grandma brought baklava! Baklava! Wake up! Baklava is here!
She was asleep. Now she's awake. Amazing.
Everyone gathers around Grandma. They carry her to the table. They all take pieces of baklava.
Wow, your kitchen is very lively.
We had a chaotic iftar. Dates on the floor, water everywhere. Max forgot the spoons.
That's the best kind of iftar. The one you remember.
She's right. We will never forget today.
You know, this reminds me of a story from a long, long time ago.
A story? Tell us! Story time!
When your Baba was little, just like Adam.
Me? What did I do?
Oh, you did plenty. One Ramadan, when you were 6, you wanted to help with Iftar too.
What happened?
You carried a big pot of soup to the table, just like Adam carried the dates.
Oh no. What happened next?
You tripped over the cat. The soup went everywhere, all over the floor, all over the cat.
Soup on a cat? Poor kitty.
I remember that. The cat ran around the house with soup on its fur for an hour.
I can't believe this. You did the same thing as Adam.
Every parent has these stories. Every family has chaos. It's normal. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I guess I am.
You know, today was so stressful. I almost cried. Twice.
I saw you when the water spilled. You looked so sad.
I was sad. I thought everything was ruined. I thought I failed.
Failed? How could you fail? Look around you. Your family is happy. Your family is full. Your family is together. That is not failure. That is success.
Even with the dates on the floor?
Especially with the dates on the floor. Those dates will be a story you tell for years.
I spilled the water too.
And that water will be a story too. A funny story.
So our chaos is actually a good thing?
The best thing. Perfect families are boring. Messy families are the ones who love the most.
You're right. I was so worried about the food. But the food is not what matters.
What matters is this. Us. Together. Eating. Laughing. Cleaning.
And baklava.
So if your iftar is chaotic, if things go wrong, remember our story.
It's not about perfect food. It's about perfect moments. Even the messy ones.
Especially the messy ones. Those are the ones you remember.
Can we do this again tomorrow?
Same time, same place, same crazy family.
Same baklava?
I'll bring more next time, sweet girl.
If you like this story, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Tell us in the comments, what's the funniest thing that ever happened at your iftar? We want to read your stories.
We read every single comment.
Until next time, keep laughing, keep loving, and keep eating dates.
Goodbye, friend. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.